Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini saya akan mau menyampaikan materi tentang recontext. Next, can you tell me what happened in the picture? Next. Definition of recontext. A recontext is a type of text that retells events or experience from the past. The purpose of a recontext is to inform or entertain the reader about what has happened. Examples are recontext telling about a holiday, a funny incident of school activities. Structure or of recontext. Number one, orientation, the opinion part that explains who was involved when and where the event took place. Example, last weekend I went to Bali my family. Events, he means part that tells the sequence of events in chronological order. Example, first we visit Kuta Beach. Then we went to Ubud. We also tried some traditional food. Number three, orientation. The closing parts that express a personal comment, impression or conclusion. Example, it was an unforgettable trip and we really enjoyed it. Next. Language feature of recontext. Use past tense example when visit was had. Use action verbs example saw, played, enjoyed. Use time connectivities example first then after that finally. Use personal pronouns example I, we, he, she. Next. Short example of recontext. My holiday in Yogyakarta last month. I went to Yogyakarta with my classmates. Ini termasuk kalimat orientation. First, we visited Borobudur Temple. It was so big and beautiful. After that, we went to Borobudur to buy souvenirs. We also tried local food like gudeg. Ini termasuk kalimat events. The trip was also fun and we'll never forget. Next. Ini struktur analisis. Itu ada 3, orientation, events, and reorientation. Kalau yang termasuk orientation itu, last month I went to Yogyakarta with my classmates. Dan kalau yang events itu, first we visit, after that we also tried. Kalau yang orientation itu the trip also so fun. Language features. Itu bisa dilihat ada 3 bagian, tense, verbs, and time connective. Past tense itu termasuk when, visit, was. Yang action verbs itu tried, bought, when. Dan yang terakhir time connective itu first, after that. Next. Nah, ini ada praktisnya. Kita akan ngerjain bareng-bareng. Akan dikirim di WhatsApp group. Dan ini adalah yang part A ini adalah contohnya. Dan yang part B ini kita akan ngerjain bareng-bareng yang akan dikirimkan di WhatsApp group. Oke. Oke, next. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Hi, I'm Irma and I want to read a story about my history. When I failed a test but I tried again. I thought the English midterm test would be easy. But the questions were harder than I expected. I didn't understand some part. A few days later, I saw my score, 62, my first fall. I asked my teacher for help. She gave me extra practice. I worked hard every day. I didn't want to fall again. And yes, on the final test, I got 87. I proved to myself that I could do better. Thank you.